Hey guys, my name is Melanie Ludy. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to clean up my office space and just make it much more functional because it's a little rough. Okay, so I just tackled some of my paper clutter, which I made that Sunday basket box. Link is going to be up in the eye up there in case you missed last week's. But this is my current state of the union here. My office is a disaster right now. And it's functional, but it doesn't spark joy and it doesn't make me want to come in here, especially this atrocious sponge wall. I hate that sponge wall. And there's the dust from the old picture frame that was there. There's too much of everything else here. So today's video and goal is to make this a much more joyful space. And make this a better place that I want to come into work, starting by getting rid of as much of this sponge as I can without breaking my budget. My current budget for this office is $0. I am trying to make a big of a change in here as I can without spending any money on it. We'll see how I do. I think I am gonna need at least one thing, but I can get that at the dollar store. In fact, I should, because the other frames are from the dollar store, but we'll see how it goes. Okay. So, first thing we're gonna do is we are going to put up this curtain rod from my living room that I hated in my living room. And then we will then we're gonna put up the sheet to kind of cover this atrocious sponge wall. Already so much better. I think I'm gonna put a nail in over there on that side to kind of make sure it stays that way. Although let me hang the curtain rod first and see if it'll cover that, because maybe I don't need to put more nails in the wall. Maybe. Okay. So I tried to
thread curtains on this rod, except for I threaded the same curtain from both ends. Yeah. Let's try this again. Also, these curtains I had from my old house, so this is just a kind of recycle. Okay, so the rod's just a wee bit short, but I like the sheer over the white, and I have more shears, so I think I'm gonna layer those extra 2 on, make it look a little bit fuller. It looks freaking fabulous, and I haven't even added the flowers or the lights or anything I was thinking about. Oh, I love it. I love it. Also, this is about 3 panels of the shears because I actually do have, I have a window over here. Yes, window. And I'm gonna put the last one over that window because there's already a bracket there and just kind of tie the whole room together. Oh, I love it. I love it. First problem, no batteries. Second problem, once the batteries are in here, this case is gonna be fairly heavy. So it can't go on the bottom of the shears. It has to go on the top, which means it kind of has to be put in maybe the pocket that the little shears is in. The rod pocket, yeah. Maybe put this in the rod pocket, and then I'll have to make a tiny slit in those little pockets so I could put this lighted wire through. It'd be kind of a pain every time I had to change the batteries, but how often does it say I would need to? I think we'll go with that for now. We'll put the actual cases in the shear pocket, because I bet you they'll fit. How do I open this? Wait. There's one of those little finger grippies. Ha! I win. Okay. Ha! It does fit. other things that need to happen. So there's a shelf here I want to finish. These pictures have got to get moved over there, and I got to make a kind of wall, I think. That degree's got to move over here, and then I think we'll be great.
All right, guys, this is it. That'll do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me make over this space and it motivated you to do some more of the same with your space. A positive workspace is gonna benefit you tenfold because you feel better, so then the work you do is better. Please like, comment, and subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.